Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we'll dive into the world of video editing with DaVinci Resolve, a powerful professional-grade video editing software that's perfect for beginners and experts alike. If you're new to it, don't worry. I'll guide you through some easy tips to get started and create amazing video. Let's jump right in. What is DaVinci Resolve? DaVinci Resolve is a free, all-in-one video editing tool that includes editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production. It's ideal for anyone looking to produce professional quality videos. Step 1. Setting up your project. 1. Download and install. Head over to the DaVinci Resolve website, download the free version, and install it. 2. Start a new project. Open the software and click on New Project. Give your project a name and hit Create. 3. Import your media. Drag and drop your video clips, images, or audio files into the media pool or use the File Import option. Step 2. Editing your clips. 1. Switch to the Edit page. Navigate to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. 2. Timeline Basics. Drag your clips onto the timeline to start arranging them. Use the razor tool to cut clips or the selection tool to move them. 3. Add transitions. Go to the Effects library, find transitions like fade or cross dissolve, and drag them between clips for smoother cuts. Step 3. Enhancing your video. 1. Color correction. Switch to the Color tab to adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance. You can use presets or fine-tune manually. 2. Audio adjustment. In the Fairlight tab, tweak your audio levels or add effects like noise reduction for clear sound. 3. Text and titles. Add titles by selecting Effects Library, Titles, and dragging a title template onto the timeline. Customize the text as needed. Step 4. Exporting your video. 1. Deliver tab. Once your edit is complete, go to the Deliver tab. 2. Choose a format. Select your preferred format, e.g. MP4 for YouTube. 3. Export settings. Adjust resolution, frame rate, and quality settings, then click Add to Render Queue. 4. Render. Hit Start Render, and your video will be ready to share. Pro tip for beginners. Take advantage of DaVinci Resolve's keyboard shortcuts. They can save you a lot of time. For example, use Ctrl-Z to undo, B for the blade tool, and A for selection. That's all for this beginner-friendly guide to DaVinci Resolve. With a bit of practice, you'll be creating stunning videos in no time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you next time.